Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add an SEO optimized and beautiful looking blog to your existing website. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, and today we're looking at adding a blog to your foliovilla page. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm in my foliovilla account, and when you go to content you see all the different menu points that we can add to our foliovilla page. Since I don't have a foliovilla premium account, I can't add any new pages or change the title page, but we can go to the about page, and that's where we will add our blog. Any page on foliovilla where you have this editor, you can actually add your BlogHandy blog. Alright, so here on that page we can make this a bit smaller if we want, or we can just remove the visibility. So there's no image and we have more space for our text. So here's where we want to add our blog. So we just call it, let's say, my blog. And underneath it, we want to click on this HTML icon. So this is where we actually see the source code, the HTML code of our foliovilla page. Don't get scared by that, but this is where we want to add our BlogHandy code snippet. So let's go to BlogHandy, and under code snippet, step 1, just click on copy and put it in to here into the HTML source editor. And let's go back to BlogHandy, and under step 2 we copy this and we paste it here. Then let's click on update. You won't see anything, there's no preview of our blog in that case, but it will be there. And let's also make this maybe in larger letters and in bold, and let's click on save. Alright, we could also rename this into my blog, save it, and then let's click on view portfolio. Alright, so that's a landing page of our portfolio. I haven't uploaded any of my own pictures here, so that's why we don't see anything, but here's our my blog link. Let's click on it. And there you have it, our BlogHandy blog is loading, and when you click on it, let's say I click on this blog post, I can see the blog post and I can see the social media sharing buttons. One more thing we have to do now, we have to click on my blog and we have to take the URL of that, go to BlogHandy and click on settings, and under blog URL we have to paste this URL and simply click on save all changes. Now one more thing we can do, we can actually adjust our layout and design of the blog by going under layout and design under the settings, and here we can choose different designs. Since we don't have that much space on our foliovilla page, we might want to pick a design that is only one item per row. So let's say it's a journey design, you can click on here and it automatically will change. Let's refresh. Alright, so the beautiful thing with BlogHandy is that we automatically take over the page's existing style and design and we adapt the blog to that. So depending on the design you picked on your foliovilla account, this might look a bit different, and if you want to further customize it, you can always go under custom CSS in your settings and do some CSS changes there if you're comfortable with CSS. If you're not comfortable with CSS, simply reach out to the team and we're always happy to fully customize your blog for you free of charge. Another nice design might be this one. That's actually without any images. Let's refresh it. And here it loads. Thanks a lot for listening, and if you've got any other questions, please feel free to reach out. Happy blogging and bye bye for now.